Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Slots and Cocktails here. We're at the Luxor, and we're going to be playing Ultimate Firelink Explosions.
Explosion!
One of our
major.
Look at that major. It's
Look
at
at that
$1,800. We got two more machines along the wall here, and they are not even at 1,000, not even close. So we're going to give this one a shot to get that $1,800 major. All right, let me flip this camera around.
Let's go.
We got, how much do we have in there?
Oh, we have nothing in there actually.
No, we have $200 in there actually.
Do we?
We do. So look at that.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So.
we're paying attention.
All right. A 2 cent denom. Okay, let's start off on the 2 cents.
At the lowest back.
All right.
Where's the volume?
Yeah, get that volume up. Here, get over on this side. And I'll get on this side.
Where is the volume?
I'm going to turn it up right now. All right. There we go. Let's get it. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get this bonus. Come on.
We start $200 in.
$200 in, and so far, nothing out. Come on. Oh, come on, monkeys. Throw those balls down here.
Let's get that major. We got it.
We got it. This monkey threw two of them down.
$37.50 times 2.
Heck yeah.
That's a lot of money, babe.
All right, let's get it.
That's a lot of money.
All right, come on.
Let's go.
Let's get some big money here. Let's drop some words here. Yeah, keep going, monkeys. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Unlock those top rows. Come on. Drop a word down here. Come on, monkey. All right. We need...
One more.
All right. He unlocked it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh my goodness. Let's get that major.
Let's get that major, ladies and gentlemen. One more to unlock that mini. That mini's $30.
One more.
One more. Come on, monkey. Throw those fireballs down here. Come on. Come on, save it.
Save it.
Yes, we got that mini. $30 right there. $30 mini, not too bad if you start off the game. Come on, save it again. Let's get some more. Okay, last one. Save it. Come on, monkey. All right. Well, let's see what we got here. We got $30 so far. I know that. All right. Keep going. Come on, that's awesome right there. Big win.
Yeah.
Here we go. Coin show, that's what we love. We love that coin show. Come on, keep going.
A coin show here.
Keep going.
At the Luxor in Las Vegas.
We love it here. Come on, monkeys, keep going. That was awesome. Look, we stuck 200 in there, and we're up 155.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Let's do it again. Here, let me switch up. Let's do the 5 cents now. Well, we'll do the 5 cents at the minimum bet. Okay, let's go. Come on, throw them down. Throw them down. Throw them down. One more. Oh, man. Come on, monkey. We got it.
Oh my gosh,
We
you guys.
got it.
Yes, we got it.
All right, come on. There we go.
I'm drinking Frank's drink at this time.
Yes, we got this one at 5 cents, and Maria's sharing my Jack and Coke. Let's go. Let's get a big word down here. Come on. Come on, monkeys. Throw that ball down here. Come on. We unlocked that other row. Let's go. Let's keep going.
Come on, let's go.
Save it right here. Come on, save it.
Save it.
We did it. All right. Come on. 2 more to unlock that other row. Come on. Get a word down here. Come on. Get a word down here.
Save it. Save it.
All right, let's see what we got here. Keep going. Yes, keep going. All right, we got 348 in there. And now we have, all right, another nice coin show, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Keep going. Count it up. Let's go. Keep going. All right, I'd say we take it down to 400 and book a double $100 here. A couple of $100 win.
Let's do that.
Let's do it. The monkeys was good to us today. Come on. Oh, let's go.
Spin. Here we go.
All right, one more spin. No, do the 2-cent denom. One more spin right there. All right, that's awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, we stuck $200 in that machine, and we're walking away with $400 in that machine. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up
And subscribe.
and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.